Good morning. Last class we discussed producer gas. This class we are going to discuss about water gas. It is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen with a small amount of the nitrogen. Then the average composition is carbon monoxide 41%, hydrogen 51%, nitrogen 4%, carbon dioxide and methane rest. Calorific value is 2800 kilocalories per meter cube. Then manufacture. The water gas producer consists of a tall steel vessel lined inside with a refractory bricks. It is provided with a cup and cone feeder at the top and a side opening for water gas exit. At the bottom, it is provided with two inlet pipes for passing air and steam. This is the water gas manufacturing device. When steam and little air is passed alternatively, coke maintained at about 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius in a reactor, water gas is produced. Step 1. In the first stage, steam is passed through the red hot coke where carbon monoxide and hydrogen gases are produced. The reaction is endothermic, so the temperature of the coke bed falls. Second step, in the second stage, in order to raise the temperature of the coke bed to 1000 degrees Celsius, the steam supply is temporarily cut off and air is blown it. The reaction is exothermic, so the temperature again rises. Then uses of the water gas. It is used for the production of hydrogen and in the synthesis of ammonia. It is used to synthesize gasoline in Fischer-Tropsch process. This Fischer-Tropsch process is used for the manufacture of synthetic petrol by indirect method. It is used as an illuminating gas and fuel. Last one, it is also used in the manufacture of power alcohol and carbureted water gas. Next topic, power alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is blended with petrol at a concentration of 5 to 10%, it is called power alcohol. In other words, absolute alcohol, 100% of the ethyl alcohol is also known as the power alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is used in an internal combustion engine. The addition of ethyl alcohol to petrol increases its octane number. When ethyl alcohol is blended with diesel, it is called e-diesel. Power alcohol, e-diesel is act as a biofuels or bio gases. Then manufacture of ethyl power alcohol. Step 1. Manufacture of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol can be synthesized by fermentation of carbohydrates, fermentation of molasses which in the residue left after the crystallization of the sugar with the yeast generates alcohol. This fermentation yields only about 20% of the alcohol. Then concentration of the alcohol can be increased up to 97.6% by fractional distillation yields a rectified spirit. The concentration of the alcohol cannot be increased by distillation above 97.6% because it forms a constant boiling mixture with water. Then second step, conversion of ethyl alcohol into power alcohol. But for the use of IC engine, 100% of the alcohol, absolute alcohol, is prepared by removing last traces of water from rectified spirit. It can be done by the following two methods. First one is alcohol containing traces of water. It distilled with benzene. When benzene passes over with a portion of alcohol and water, it leaves behind absolute alcohol or power alcohol. Alcohol, second one, alcohol is distilled in the presence of dehydrating agent which holds the water. Finally, absolute alcohol is mixed with petrol at a concentration of 5 to 10 percentage to get power alcohols. Then properties of power alcohol. Power alcohol has a lower calorific value, that means 7,000 kilocalories per kilogram. It has high octane number. Its antinocic properties are good. It generates 10% more power than the gasoline of same quantity. Its compression ratio is also higher. Then uses, it is used as a very good fuel in motors. Then advantages, cheaper than petrol, moisture presence is very low, it is easily absorbs, and ethyl alcohol combines with the oxygen atoms, complete combustion occurs. Then disadvantages, output power is reduced up to 35%. It may undergo oxidation to give acetic acid which corrodes engine part. Then biodiesel. Vegetable oil comprise of 90 to 90% glycerides with a small amount of the diglycerides, free fatty acids, phospholipids, triglycerides or esters of long chain fatty acid like stearic acid and palmitic acid. The viscosity of vegetable oils are higher and their molecular weight are in the range of 600 to 900, which are about 3 times higher than those of the diesel fuels. This is the biodiesel. Thank you.